Alright guys, today we're going to be opening this fidget box. And it shows the fidgets that are over here. It shows fidgets over here. And if you can get some of them, one is like a force and one is the earth. So I'm only going to give you a few things. One is a Rubik's Cube and one is the earth and one is a force. So those are the only answers I'm going to give you. Now let's open this up. And I'm gonna put it like this. And whatever fidget I see first, I'm gonna open. Well, I'm gonna open this one. So then you guys put in the comments. You guys have to try to figure out what kind of fidgets are on this side because it shows you fidgets. And if you get them right, I might put a heart and a like on yours. It's really good. And we're gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's a rubber string. Which it's these things. I've never really seen fidgets. I only looked at fidgets, but it's these fidgets. See? If you guys don't know these fidgets, it's okay. I'll give you a like anyway because I don't even know what these fidgets even are. What this fidget even is. So it's okay if you guess it. Guess someone damn wrong. I might have put a heart, but I still put a like. And I think these are for stretching. See? Look. You can make like things with it. You can make like an X, or any other type of alphabet you want. Like an A, but let's save that for later. I might make another video with me actually using these fidgets, so yeah. Let's just put these for the side for now. And now let's open another one. It's this. I think it's supposed to be like a fun remote controller that you can play with and press buttons on. But if you guys don't know how to use this, I'll just teach you right now. So, it's like if it's a fidget that's supposed to entertain you. And like if it's a puppet, you can press these. But it's just supposed to entertain you. You can make 16 pins, see? So you can push this, and just in case if you're flicking a switch light, it could be like a switch light. And these two pins, this makes this pin over here. And we have a cool ball, and these pins, these things, like if you're on a work job, and you have to fix the light. But let's put that over there. And now, we have these guys. Okay, don't rip the whole thing. Alright, these are like little Dickman guys. But in 3D. Hello, hello, high five. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, they're pretty much just to play with, like Dickman. Right? Hey, let's put that over here. And let's open this thing. You guys can't really see, I'm gonna open it real quick and then let you guys know. It's a box cube. It's like a maze where I think you're supposed to put all the balls inside of here, and you can just play around and move it and try to get this little guy out. And if you have a marble inside of here, you have to get it out. I think that's how it pretty much works. And you can move it and even put it upside down to see if you can get it out. But that's pretty much it. That's all it does. Now let's move on to these. Now let's open these things. Alright, let's get these things out. Now are these puppets or what even is this? What even are these? I'm trying to take one out, but I can't. It's like if it's a glued ball. Oh, this. Oh my. You guys, I don't even know what these even are for. Wait, hold up. If you guys know what the Fidget is, let me know in the comments. They're like these things and they have like faces, okay? Let you see it. I have no idea what these things even are. Oh, I think you're supposed to close them like this. Like that. I have no idea what these are for, but I'm gonna make a video about actually opening these. And this fell off. See, look, you see this green part? It fell off. It's on the dash. It fell off. Well, let's open these pieces aside. And we got this rubber band thing. Oh my! It can bounce. Oh my! Ah, ah. It fell down, you guys. So it is a rubber ball. So at least you guys know what it is. But this thing, I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I got my rubber band back. And I have no idea what this thing is. I know. See, there's a ball inside of it. And see, you can do like this, see? You can move the ball towards each ending. Like this. But I don't know if you guys can actually see it. Because it's so bullet. It's thicker over here, so this is where the ball is and I'm moving it. I don't know if you guys can see it because of all the rainbow. But if your parents buys one of you guys things, you can see what I'm talking about. Just because you can't see everything. And now, remember this thing? Well, we have another one that is kind of the same, but not really. Well, it's kind of the same. It's just it has a different shape. Which I'm gonna save my favorite one for last because I don't really have that thing. I used to have one, but then I lost. I used to have one Fidget. I used to have one of my favorite Fidgets. I used to have one of my favorite Fidgets, but now I lost. But then I lost my favorite Fidget. But this thing has my favorite Fidget. I have no idea how this is even gonna work. It's kind of like this. You don't even know what this is for. It's just probably to entertain you and to move the balls, like if you're in Pac-Man and have to get out. I have no idea what these are even for. But we have two of my favorite things, and we have another one of these. Well, look at the difference. It's actually different, I think. I think it's different. Yeah, it's different because look, it has different colors on each side. See? It has different colors. See, look on the back. It's upside down. And if you twist it around, it's still going to be a different color on top. See? Look, if you turn this around, it's still not the same. If you turn this around, it's still not the same. They have different colors. That's the only thing that's different about it. But just in case if you have a friend that really wants one, that wants their first Fidget, you could just give them one of these because you already have two. Which I'm gonna open this thing. Oh, never mind. This is just a box. But it says, oh, it shows you the instruction. It shows you the instructions of this thing. So it says flip. The thing that I don't know what the flip is. Oh, it's this. It tells you what to do with this. It doesn't have anything, but this is to flip. And this is to spin around. And the back one is also the same. Then we have these are to clip. I'm just telling you guys so you can. And then this is to glide. I don't know what glide means. Okay. And then we have roll. And then we have these things that I already told you guys. And this one is to breathe. I think this is. It tells you what kind of things can entertain you in different ways. But let's look at that one. Alright, I'm gonna open another one. Look look at this. It's like a functional robot. See? So it's like if it's moving and turning like beep bop beep 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 bop beep beep bop. It's like if it's flexible. It's very flexible. I actually have one of these, but it's not a fidget. It's just a wooden block that's flexible, and that has strings inside of them so they can stretch. And see, this has this, and this has this, and if you connect it, then it's gonna just be just like the same. You have to connect. I'm so bad at connecting things. Anyways, so yeah, but that's how you would normally do it. But I'm not good at it. Well, let's put this on the side. And now what else do I want? Let's open this thing. Now let me open these. See, look, it's a little fidget. It's a little wheelie fidget. It's like I think this is a. You know how Sonic the Hedgehog? I don't know what it's called, but you know how Sonic is a hedgehog? Oh, this is what Sonic is. This is how Sonic looks like if he was a pet. And this is a real pet. Sonic is actually a real pet. So this is the real pet version of it. Alright. Let's go to this thing. Does this have an opening area, or do I have to open it myself? Oh, never mind, it has an opening area. If you guys don't know what these do, oh, you're gonna be surprised. See, if you do it like this, well, that fell down. Hold up, you guys. Gotta go get it. Bye. I'm back. Alright, I got the thing. And you guys saw it. If you do this and release it, it goes flying into the air. Like if it's a rocket and going up to the moon. Like that. And now, I'm actually going to open two at the same time. They're just like this fidget. They're exactly like this one. A little bit, not as this one. See, look, I think this is a little sheep. I wonder what it is. I can't really tell because it's not even like a sheep color or tail. But, and if you guys can guess it, I'll put a like on your comment. Even if you guys just comment something else that I'm trying to guess the fidgets that are on this side, which I kind of just showed you all of it. But yeah. Or if you guys can even see it. And then we have another one of these rocket things. Imagine if I had this and I literally rocketed it to the camera. That would be so funny. Alright. This is another one of these things. They're both going. This one is going to Mars and Mars is right next to it, but it takes a little bit longer. And this one is going. Actually, this one is going to the moon and this one is going to Mars. Push up. They're both going to different planets. Alright, now we have a few more that we have to open. Yeah. And this is the other one. I already know this is like bunny. It's a bunny because it actually has it in its normal color. And I can tell because of by the ears. And I can tell because of its tail. And ears. See? See, look. He's a rabbit with a tail, and that's how it looks like and ears. And he has a nail and 2 eyes. Alright, we're getting close to opening my favorite ones. But this one isn't one of my favorites, but they're not there. But it's a free football. Watch that. I actually forgot to make a lot of ways to do sports. But I think it's a football actually. Yeah, I'm gonna throw out the camera. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna see if I actually did. Did it again. Got it. Now I'm actually gonna do 3 out of time instead. Alright, and then these are actually formed in one of my favorite colors. These are actually formed in my favorite colors, but I'm not gonna tell you. Red, green, blue. Now I gave you guys a hint of my favorite colors. I'm just kidding. And now we're going to it's like a ball. You know how we have a football? It's like that, but it's actually a earth ball. It's an earth ball. See? And it shows you all the countries like a little globe. And it orbits around the sun. The sun's right up there. Bam, 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 bam. Oh gosh! The sun better not disappear or else. Oh, I love my... Oh! Well, that's great. A meteor just destroyed my moon. Oh god, there's another one coming. Wrong, dude. And coming a meteor that is gonna explode the world in 3, 2, 1. There's dead. Alright, let's go to another one. This one is done. I think this might be my second favorite. But I don't know. It looks pretty cool, but I'm gonna see if it actually is pretty cool. I think it got jammed. One of its balls is in here. It's a jam. And see, it's actually a ball. But it's a different kind of ball, okay? I think there was supposed to be a ball here, but they ran out of material. They better not have gambling. Well, look, you want to see what it can do? This ball can turn. You can't really see it turning, but it actually is turning. See? You can turn it, and you can push it to the left, push it to the right. You can just push it and move it. See? That's pretty cool. This has to be my favorite. Whoops. But now we're gonna go towards this one. It's a Rubik's Cube. And if you guys couldn't guess it, we're already on my favorite one. Rubik's Cube. There's multiple Rubik's Cube. And I think I accidentally... Are these Rubik's Cube? Nope, they're not Rubik's Cube. Actually, I'll do this one instead. But Rubik's Cubes are my favorite one. I forgot to do these. Oh, I think this is a different kind of Rubik's Cube. And I think this is a Rubik's Cube. It just, you can twist it and turn it. And then you're going to solve it. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to see if I can actually solve a Rubik's Cube. Ah! And there. It's like a puzzle, a different kind of Rubik's Cube. But not the same. This is my first time ever solving one. So I'm just going to put this one over here because I don't really know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And we have another one that's the same that is actually my first. That I actually like. It's this red Rubik's Cube. Now, it's time to open it. Now where's the opening? There it is. It's the same one. trying to figure out how to mess this thing up, how to do it, but I'm afraid it doesn't break into pieces. I think they accidentally glued it a little bit too hard where I can't even move it. Never mind. There it is. Only like a turn this thing, so it's gonna be pretty easy to solve. Oh, never mind. The turns are actually hard. Oh goodness. I think if I turn it, it's gonna break. How can I not turn this thing? Yeah, this thing is jamming. But I have to open it a few more. I already showed you guys this one. But I'm actually gonna get 3 more that aren't even in the basket. So we have 2 tiny Rubik's cubes. Which they are formed in different colors, see? So I'm gonna see if I can actually try to get it. So this is over here. So if red's over here, then we're gonna have to turn. Ah! I am getting literal jammed. I am literally getting jammed. Ah! One of the pieces just broke. Ah! Another one just broke. You got to be kidding me. Yep, this is why I'm not good at making they make me sick and tired. I have no idea how to actually fix this, guys. Yeah, so these pieces are broken forever. Yeah, I think there's one that's not really that good in there's another one down here. Yup, these pieces are broke, which I have no idea how to fix them. So that's gonna be a problem. And I don't think we can fix this anymore. Yeah, so this one was jammed, I think, because it could barely remove and I got jammed. So now let's see if I can actually mix this thing. What can I not turn? Oh, it's getting jammed again. Yeah, I think if I turn it a little bit too many times, it's gonna break again. Which I do not want it to break. So, yeah, we're just gonna leave these over there. Now it's time to open the big Rubik's Cube. Bigger than that one. That's literally the original version. But that's the small one. Alright. And this is actually the last Fidget. So, yeah. This is actually the last Fidget, and I have no idea how to solve it, but each side has to have a triangle or a side. So I have no idea how to fix this. Whoops, never mind. This is not a normal Rubik's Cube. I have no idea. Oh, see, look. So, I'm going to put it from the beginning. If you ever get one of these, I'm going to teach you how, I think, this is how you use it. Because you can't even turn it. Nothing. You can only do this. So, this is what you have to do. You have to do this. You have to open it like this because it has these on the side. So, you can open it like this. Then, what's the other part? I just did it before. Oh, then on the back side there's these things. So then you can flip. Then you can flip this. And then you can flip it again. And then again. And then do this again. And then it becomes a turquoise. You guys, so these are all the products I bought from Amazon. And the only ones that weren't really working were these because they kept on getting stuck and they didn't. So, I'm gonna make another one. Bye you guys, see you later.